Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Makeup is not just about making your look more beautiful, it is also to enhance your look which people can't take their eyes off from. Today, we have so many different makeup brands that are available in the market, hence to choose the correct makeup product for ourselves according to our skin, budget and lifestyle is the challenge we face. In today's video, we are going to test out some amazing and viral cosmetic products from Insight. Insight is a one-stop cosmetic brand for all your needs, providing a wide range of beauty products for most skin type and skin tones. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I would love to have you guys on board. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and share my videos with your friends. So let's get started. This is the Diva Kit from Insight Cosmetic. This kit has one stick lipstick, translucent face powder, foundation, conceal, correct and contouring palette, 3-in-1 long-lasting primer, mascara, 12 hours long-lasting and waterproof eyeliner, liquid lipstick, illuminating highlighter, makeup fixer and a free glitter sling bag. There are total 11 products and this is not only affordable but also works as magic on skin. Highly recommended to those who are new to makeup and not exactly know what to get for their makeup kit. Before starting the makeup, please follow this 4-step. It is very important to make sure that you wash and clean your face and neck. Then apply some toner. Here I am using green tea alcohol-free toner from Palm. This product is amazing. It has an alcohol-free, non-drying formula that effectively shrinks pores. Glycolic acid helps weed out the dead skin cells. 100% vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free and so on. Basically, this is the second bottle I am using and I love this product. Step 2 is face serum. I am using Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Face Serum. Vitamin C can help protect the skin from many problems, including sunburn, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, sagging, dryness, and even skin tone. You can even use it at night. As you know, your body undergoes its natural repair process while you are asleep, and the vitamin C will make its strongest impact on your skin during this time. Step 3. Moisturize your lips. I am using Wadi Herbal Blueberry Lip Balm. It is not tinted, but the texture is perfect and also it feels nice on lips. Step 4. Moisturize your face and neck. So before applying makeup, make sure to use a good moisturizer that suits your skin type and offers an all-day hydration. This will allow the solution to properly seep into your skin and stimulate your skin cells. Basically, moisturizer does two very important things. First, it smooths skin surfaces for a more even foundation or concealer application and can even help makeup to stay on longer. Second, hydrating skin underneath makeup will help skin to look less dull. Let's start our makeup with primer. Take a small amount of the product, apply and blend it on your skin. It gives a smooth and flawless base. After the primer, apply some color corrector and then concealer to cover blemishes, dark spots and any imperfection with a natural looking finish. Make sure to blend this well. Once it is done, wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then apply foundation. I'm using Flawless Matte Finish HD Finishing Loose Powder. This is one of the best translucent powder, excellent quality for this price. Basically, translucent powder is used after concealer or foundation to lock the makeup, not to cover or add any color or shade. It is used to control, shine and give matte and even finish to your makeup look, and it's a must-try product. Let's move on to eye makeup. I am using a loose eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. It is very much pigmented. Also using a multicolor loose eyeshadow on top of it. Time for eyeliner. It's a one-stroke application, quick drying, but I would prefer gel-based liner or kohl kajal for that intense look. Mascara and eyeliner in this kit is an okay product, but I would prefer to use mascara from Essence or Maybelline. I'm not using blush. Directly I applied highlighter for some reason, so it is not really visible. But if you apply it on top of the blusher, on your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, on the inner corner of eyes and above your cupid bows, it would be definitely visible and look good. Also, this comes with a blender which is good and easy to apply. Here is the most exciting part of the video. So we get one liquid lipstick and one stick lipstick, and I applied both. Basically, I love lipstick on my lips. I love to try different colors which suits my skin obviously. So today I'm going to use 08 Grape Riot matte lipstick with V22 Burgundy Blend liquid lipstick. I just mixed both together. The pigmentation is amazing. It is very light on lips and I'm very much satisfied with the lipstick and the other products. Makeup fixer or setting spray. As we know, the whole purpose of using a makeup finishing spray is to help your makeup from smudging, creasing or fading quickly. So here is my final look, and I really loved these products because it is very smooth and light on skin. For a long time I've been using Fit Me from Maybelline and Essence foundation and compact, but I would definitely love to add this product to my daily routine. Honestly, not only me, also some of my friends tried this kit and they are pretty much satisfied with the product. If you are a beginner and does not want to invest much on makeup, then definitely you can try this. As I mentioned earlier, since it's very light on skin, this is the perfect product for no makeup look and day look. I bought this kit directly from Insight website and it costed me 1650 rupees. I will share the link on the description so that you can go and check their products. Also, if you find this video helpful and liked my content, then please don't forget to like the video and do share it with your friends and family. Until we meet next time, bye!